In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Airbnb listing link. By the end, you'll confidently grab a shareable link for any Airbnb listing, experience, or profile and send it wherever you need. Start by heading to Airbnb in your web browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so you have full access to your account and recent searches. Once you're in, use the search bar to find what you want to share. You can type the destination, dates, or the exact name if you have it. This works the same for accommodations, experiences, and even host or guest profiles. When you see the correct result, tap or click to open its dedicated page. With the page open, take a second to confirm you've got the right place. Glance at the title, the main photo, and the location so you're not sending the wrong link. Now look for the share icon. On mobile, you'll typically find it near the top of the screen. On desktop, it's usually near the title or alongside other quick action buttons. The icon often looks like an arrow or a small paper plane. Tap or click share and you'll see several options pop up. You can send it directly through social apps like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram, or choose email to draft a message with the link included. If you'd rather control exactly where it goes, select copy link. That places the Airbnb URL on your clipboard so you can paste it into a text, a group chat, a planning doc, or anywhere else you prefer. If you choose a social app, your device will hand the link off to that app so you can pick the conversation and send. If you choose email, it will open a new message with the link ready to go. And if you pick copy link, just paste it into your destination and hit send. A quick tip here. After you paste, it's smart to preview the link yourself to make sure it opens the exact listing you intended. If you've added dates or guest counts in your search, those details may carry over, which can be helpful for planning. These same steps work for experiences and profiles too. Open the page you want, hit share, then pick your method or copy the link. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps or clicks, you can share an Airbnb link anywhere you collaborate with friends, family, or teammates. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.